Imagine the possibility of earning 1.5 million rupees per month. Everyone in India who opens an account with an initial amount of 21,000 rupees by the end of this month will get a chance to realize this dream. This has been made possible by Narayana Murthy, who had developed a system that automatically increases the funds of the users.
I want to introduce you to an automated system we've been developing for 2 years that's already generating extra income for many people in India. While I can't promise you millions overnight, earning 50,000 rupees daily is realistic, which adds up to 350,000 a week or 1.5 million a month. This is a game changer for anyone who reads this post. We have strong participant statistics to back this up and are offering a unique opportunity. To get started, simply register and deposit 21,000 rupees into your account and you will witness daily growth in your funds. Our program stands out due to its innovative technology and is designed for everyone, regardless of their experience level. By utilizing artificial intelligence, our system can predict market trends, ensuring success in the financial realm. This is not a pyramid scheme or a financial scam. The algorithm does all the hard work, and all you need to do is watch the impressive results unfold. From my personal experience, your income will surpass your current salary within the first month. And there are thousands of positive testimonials from participants who each earn over 1.5 million rupees during that time. Due to high interest, registration may close in the coming days as we cannot offer this opportunity to everyone in India. Early users will gain the most benefits. If you want to partner with our project and improve your life, act now, as such opportunities are rare. I am confident that in 30 days your results will far exceed your current salary and you won't need any special skills to do this. This methodology is designed to help ordinary people in India improve their lives and cope with financial difficulties caused by inflation and rising costs.